This is the expected value interactive calculator, which computes expected values for 6 different probability distributions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Discrete Distribution, Direct Entry, Binomial Distribution, Geometric Distribution, Poisson Distribution, Continuous Distribution, Uniform, or Weighted Average Decision Analysis. For this demo, I'm using Discrete Distribution. For discrete distributions, you enter up to 5 outcomes and their probabilities. I'll input Outcome 1 as 100, Probability 1 as 0.2, Outcome 2 as 200, Probability 2 as 0.3, Outcome 3 as 300, Probability 3 as 0.5. Leave Outcomes 4 and 5 blank. Now click the Calculate button. The calculator displays your expected value, which represents the average outcome you'd expect over many trials. It also shows the variance, measuring how spread out your outcomes are from the expected value, and the standard deviation, which is the square root of variance. These metrics help engineers assess both the central tendency and risk profile of probabilistic scenarios, whether you're analyzing manufacturing tolerances, project timelines, or investment decisions. Find the link in the description below.